Hi, my dear IPMAT aspirants. So it's less than a week to go for the exam. I'm sure you are all set and ready to give your best. Here, this video talks about few suggestions that would be really helpful to utilize the remaining 1 week in the best of our capacities. So let's quickly start. Before we proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Juhi Narula. I'm your verbal coach. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT, GRE, and other competitive entrance tests. I also happen to be a life skills coach, content creator. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. This is my Telegram channel link, so you can join me there so that you get all the updates about our classes. Also, we can indulge in your doubt solving there on the channel. Now, it is very important that you don't panic. I have seen some students who are really performing well, but that anxiety is going to have a negative impact on the performance. So please don't panic. Panicking will not give you any significant output. It kills time and it also reduces our performance. So please ensure that you are channelizing your energy in the best possible way, because at this point of time we have to be our most productive. So if you are panicking or if you are worrying or if you are in anxiety unnecessarily, it is building stress and not contributing in a constructive way. The next important advice is that at this point of time, avoid learning anything new, because the time is very limited and it would not be sufficient to master the concept. Rather, work on the areas which you are already aware of, because there remains to be a great scope of performing well. So, this is another important suggestion. However, if you wish to, you can continue to work on vocabulary and you can continue to learn new idioms. If you have already made any list, please ensure that you are revising those words or idioms on regular basis. It is very important to practice papers at this point of time, and while you are practicing, please ensure that you are following your practice sessions by rigorous analysis. So analysis will help us understand that where are we going wrong, and if you get the idea and understanding that what remains to be the troublesome spots, then by working on those areas your performance will significantly boost. So please ensure that you spend adequate time in analysis. Only practicing will not help us increase our scores much. Another important thing is that you distribute your time effectively. You have to work on all the sections. So students usually stop working on their weak areas or vice versa. Students only work on their strengths. Please ensure that you are not doing anything of this sort and you're equally distributing your time to cover all the areas which are tested in the exam. This will bring in more effectiveness in your performance and this will increase your chances to score better in the paper. While you are practicing, it is very important to create situation which is very similar to the exam. So the atmosphere will not always be conducive. As we practice in our homes at a comfort, we get the situation or the surroundings which are very comfortable, which are very friendly, but alas, unfortunately, this is not the case in the examination hall. It can be a bad day, and imagine a situation where the AC isn't working, right? You can face a hostile situation in the exam. So please try to create a situation which is not very conducive to you, so that you don't face any uneasiness while you are appearing for the exam on the DD. Another important advice is that please avoid distractions. At this point of time, please limit your social media usage, because continuously talking to other friends or being on social media would create an adverse impact on your performance. You are competing with your own self, so please try to improvise on your skill set rather than asking your friend that how much he or she is scoring in the mocks. That is not going to help you. Is will it be? Will it help? Please just give it a thought and then uh, apply it in your life, the suggestion that I'm giving. Please avoid unnecessary distractions. They are not fruitful and they are not going to lead you to get a good score. My next suggestion is that, by continuously working or studying, your effectiveness or the output reduces. So please indulge in mild exercises or in some form of meditation or yoga that really helps you, boost your mood and your spirits, which is also very important. So please at least spare 5 to 10 minutes to go outdoors. Yes, of course, be careful, wear your mask, but it is important that you are giving some time to relax also. uh, and very important suggestion, please don't leave anything for the last moment. By that I mean that you can prepare for all the things that you would be needing for your exam beforehand. So at times students rush at the last moment to get the printouts of their admit cards, or they are not aware of the test center, or they are still looking for the pen, they did not buy it. So please avoid any undue stress and prepare yourself for the exam beforehand only. This is going to really help. So at times last minute anxieties are absolutely a big no, because they hamper your performance. So please do your preparations right away so that you're all set and you can focus only on your preparation in the remaining days. So I'm hopeful that you're going to apply all these useful suggestions in your preparation. I'm sure you are going to benefit a lot from them. Also at an academy, since while you are preparing you might get some doubts, so you can avail this wonderful feature which is a part of our app. The feature is Ask a Doubt. You can simply go to the app, select this feature. You can select your doubt from the gallery, or you can click the picture there and then. You can crop the image of the doubt, and you can specify the section from the where the doubt is coming, and you'll get the reply. So at this point of time, this will be a wonderful feature to capitalize on. Also, for the aspirants who are planning to appear for 2022, there is a comprehensive 1 year batch for IPMAT, DUZAT, NPAT, SAT, and UGAT. We have got India's best mentors who will be taking the classes. So you can think about joining this particular batch. The features are amazing. There are live and interactive sessions. Every fourth session is a doubt solving one. So that will be tremendously useful. The recorded lectures are the ones which you can view, which have got unlimited view time. So that's again an amazing feature. You can practice full length mock tests. You have access to all the notes from one common place, and they are daily practice and sectional tests that are going to give a good boost to your performance. So also we are having free sectional tests every day, and these are situations which are very familiar to the exam. So I would ask you to participate as much as you can, so that you become acquainted and you're all set to perform well. This We have subscriptions for IPMAT, BBA, and hotel management preparation for 24 months, 12 months, 6 months. We also have planned for 3 months and 1 month. So if you are planning to appear for 2022, it's a good time that you think on the ground of giving structured, giving your preparation a structured way. And you can use the code JNLive10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. This is the new channel which we are launching for IPMAT, BBA, and hotel management. So you can subscribe for the section so that you get the best of the best from India's top mentors. You can use the code JNLive10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. The same code can be used to enroll for the test. Also, you can use the same code to unlock the special classes on Unacademy's app. And in the last, I would just give you one advice that I always give to my students: stay consistent. That is very important. Consistency is the key. Stay determined, because that keeps you going. And hope is that we should always have. Be hopeful. Don't bring any doubt in your minds. Be absolutely optimistic and give your best shot. All our best wishes are there with you. God bless.